Probably has the 1000 watt amp. Nice heat sink. Love that thing. 0 gauge input with 340 amps fusing. SMD AM1. Just gonna do a burp real quick, but just want to make sure I'm on dyno just to see how much power this thing put up. I actually have the amp wired at 1 ohm. The amp is 2 ohm stable, but have it wired to 1 ohm since my Rockville sub, $40 sub, is wired to 1 ohm right now. So there you go. Let me see. About, let me see if you can see that, 1275 watts from this little thing here. It's a 1000 watt amp rating at 2 ohm. It should be rising roughly about 2 ohm at 46 hertz. Peace.